Alright everyone, this video here we're going to learn how to install SublimeText3. SublimeText3 is a text editor that allows you to create web pages. There are many text editors out there and you can Google them and you'll find a lot of them, but for this class we're just going to go ahead and use SublimeText3 because I find it really easy to use and it's used by a lot of people in this industry. So the best way to go ahead and get SublimeText3, just go to Google and type in SublimeText. Do a search for that, and here we go. You'll see this. Excuse me. You'll see this big S, and go ahead and just click on SublimeText. And this will take you to the SublimeText website. And as you can see, there's some confusing looking code in here. We're not going to be doing anything like that, so don't worry about it. But you can, read about SublimeText if you want to look at some of the features. But the main thing we're going to go ahead and do is download for Windows. You can click on here, or you can click here to download. And as you can see, I already have it set up. Downloaded in my system, so just pick a folder on your computer, download it to there. I'll go ahead and re-download it. It'll save in the bottom of your browser bar. And for this class we're going to be using Chrome as our browser, so it does work in Firefox and Safari, and I think Bing is another browser, but for this class we're going to be using Firefox primarily. So I'll go ahead and open up the installer for Sublime. I'll get my little message, and then once I get to this prompt to install it, just go through and install Sublime and use the defaults. If you have any questions, just send me an email and I'll go through it with you, but it should be self-explanatory, just like anything else you install on your computer. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this, and then once you're done installing SublimeText, if you come and open Windows and go to your programs, you should see it right here. And one of the things I do, because I'm going to be using this program a lot, I will go ahead and click on it and drag it down to this bottom bar here, and drop it in there because we are going to be using it a lot, so it's just easier to access. And then once we have that downloaded, we can go ahead and open up SublimeText, and this is what you'll see. Now I already have folders in here already, so yours might just be blank with nothing in there, and that's fine. So congratulations, you have downloaded and installed SublimeText3, and in the next video we're going to talk about installing some packages so that you can get some very cool functionality through SublimeText that'll help you when you're creating your web pages.